Alright scooter aficionados, welcome back. Ever wondered what keeps your trusty Honda scooter purring like a kitten? Today, we're diving deep into the world of scooter maintenance. We're talking full service, the real deal, the stuff your scooter actually needs, not just what the guy at the shop tries to upsell you. Let's get to it. First up, the engine oil. This is the lifeblood, the essential juice that keeps everything moving smoothly. You should be changing your engine oil regularly, every few thousand miles. Depending on your scooter and how hard you ride it, check your owner's manual for specifics. Pro tip: get the right type of oil. Using the wrong stuff can lead to problems, and nobody wants that. Next, let's talk spark plugs. These little guys are responsible for igniting the fuel and keeping your engine firing. Over time, spark plugs can get worn down, causing poor performance or even starting issues. A fresh spark plug can make a huge difference in how your scooter runs. Consider them a regular tune-up item. Air filter time. Your air filter protects your engine from dust and debris. A clogged air filter can choke your engine, reducing power and fuel efficiency. It's a cheap and easy part to replace, so do it. Check and replace it, as recommended by your owner's manual. It's like giving your scooter a breath of fresh air. Now, for the fuel filter. This little guy keeps the bad stuff out of your fuel system, ensuring clean fuel flow. A dirty fuel filter can cause all sorts of problems. It can lead to starting issues and poor running, too. It's an easy thing to check and replace if necessary. Keeping your fuel filter clean keeps things running nice and smooth. Brakes. This is super important. Make sure your brakes are working properly. Inspect your brake pads and check your brake fluid. Worn brake pads and low fluid can be seriously dangerous, so make sure to check and replace them as needed. Brakes are one of the most important safety features on your scooter. Tires and wheels. Check your tire pressure regularly. Low tire pressure will affect your handling and fuel economy. Also, inspect your tires for wear and tear. Make sure they have enough tread. And don't forget to check your wheels for damage. Safe tires mean a safe ride. Let's not forget about the drive belt. This is a super important part of your scooter. It transfers power from the engine to the rear wheel. Your drive belt will wear out over time, and a broken belt will leave you stranded. Check and replace your belt as per your owner's manual's recommendations. Finally, the coolant. If your Honda scooter is liquid cooled, you need to check and replace the coolant. Coolant helps regulate your engine temperature. Coolant that isn't working properly can lead to overheating and engine damage. So, make sure to keep an eye on it. There you have it. This is what your Honda scooter actually needs. For a full service, regularly servicing your scooter is the best way to keep it running smoothly and safely. Remember to consult your owner's manual for specific recommendations for your model. And until next time, keep those wheels spinning and that engine humming.